Hello Caramelas, mabuhay. This is Gaysal Ortega and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At ngayon nga ang araw ng Miss Universe Philippines Coronation Night. Hindi pala araw, night pala siya. So, gusto kong malaman niyo ang pulso ng bayan kung sino-sino nga ba ang top 5 nila kasi syempre, lagi ninyong nalalaman at napapanood ang aking top 5. So, para sa kanila, sino naman ang top 5 sa likod ko? Charot lang. Oh, ayan, kasama siya. Oh, 'di ba? Abangan mo ang kanyang video kung sino nga ba ang top 5 niya. Please watch this.
Hello Universe, my top 6 for Miss Universe 2025. Number 6 is Laguna. Number 5, Siniluan. Number 4, it could be Muntinlupa. Number 3, Cebu. And number 2, Bohol. And of course, my ultimate winner for this year's Miss Universe Philippines 2025 is Quezon Province, Maria Atiza Manalo. Thank you.
Sino ang top 5 mo sa Miss Universe Philippines 2025?
Top 5 ko. Number 5 si Laguna.
Number 4,
Number 4 si Taguig.
Taguig. Number
3 si Winwin.
si Winwin.
Number 2
Two.
si Pasay.
Si Pasay.
Number 1 si isusunod ko si Atisa Manalo.
Ayan, thank you.
Walas, mabuhay, this is Gaysal Ortega and welcome back to my YouTube channel. De, joke lang guys, ako lang to. Ang nagbabalik kahit wala namang naghahanap. So yun po, honestly, wala pong sayang sa batch na ito ng Miss Universe Philippines. And dapat i-appreciate po natin lahat ng candidates and recognize their efforts, their dedication, and the positive impact they make. And para po sa akin, ang overall top 5 po sa Miss Universe Philippines, kahit wala namang nagtatanong, mapupunta po ang top 5 spot kay Miss Baguio. At ang top 4 po para sa akin ay si Miss Sultan Kudarat. At ang mapupunta po sa top 3 para po sa akin ay si Miss Siniloan Laguna. Ang top 2 ko po ay si Miss Taguig. At ang top 1 po para sa akin ay walang iba kundi si Miss Quezon Province. Yun lang po, share ko lang at kung gusto nyo pong malaman kung bakit, wag nyo na pong alamin. Thank you. Share ko lang.
Hello everyone, this is Nel Masada, your Pageant Wonders PH. Of course, nandito na nga tayo sa huling yugto ng kompetisyon ng Miss Universe Philippines. And I have here my top 5 hot picks. Of course, on my number 5 is Gwendolyn Soriano of Baguio City. On my 4th spot is Eliana Marie Aduana from Siniloan, Laguna. On my 3rd spot is Katrina Ligado of Taguig. And on my 2nd spot is Sultan Kudarat, Chelsea Fernandez. And of course, my Miss Universe Philippines 2025 is none other than Atisa Manalo of Quezon Province.
Yes, good evening. This is Greg Miller Gallardo. As requested na you're asking for my top 5 for the Miss Universe Philippines 2025. And before that, I would like to say thank you so much sa lahat ng mga subscribers sa ating Cruella Pageantry. Okay, without further ado, this is my top 5 pero ano siya, in no particular order po. First, si Quezon Province, which is Atisa Manalo. The second one is Laguna, Eloisa Hawud. And of course, our very own Cebu City, Gabriel May Carvalho. And then the next one is Bohol, Tyra Goldman, and of course Pasay, Amanda Ruzo. That's it.
Hi everyone! This is Kapihan ni Beshi. My top 5 hot picks sa Miss Universe 2025 is number 5 is Cebu City. Number 4 is Sultan Kudarat. Number 3 is Muntinlupa. Number 2 is Laguna. And number 1 is Quezon Province. Okay, thank you.
Yung aking top 5 for Miss Universe Philippines 2025. In no particular order po. Tarlac, Muntinlupa, Davao, Quezon Province of course, at Siniloan, Laguna. Yun lang po.
Hi, here's my top 5. At number 5 spot is Laguna, Eloisa Hawud. 4th is Muntinlupa. 3rd is Sultan Kudarat. 2nd is Siniloan, Laguna. And my Miss Universe 2025 is Quezon Province, Atisa Manal.
Hello everyone! Andy Shave po ng Pageant Chika. Ngayon po ipapaalam ko po sa inyo ang aking top 5. At ang aking number 5 ay wala na pong iba kundi si Chelsea Fernandez ng Sultan Kudarat. Ang aking number 4 ay si Eloisa Hawud ng Laguna. At ang aking number 3, wala na pong iba kundi si Teresita Sen Marquez ng Muntinlupa. At ang aking number 2, wala na pong iba kundi si Tantararan, Katrina Ligado ng Taguig. At ang aking number 1 at ang tingin ko na siyang mananalo ng Miss Universe Philippines this year ay wala na pong iba kundi si Atisa Manalo ng Quezon Province. O, di ba? Pero kung sino man po manalo dyan sa 5 na yan, pwedeng i-represent ang Philippines sa Miss Universe this year. Kayo, sino ang inyong top 5 na sa tingin ninyo ang mananalo or ang pwedeng lumaban sa Thailand? Let me know! Bye!
Okay, Giselle, as you requested, my top 5 is Baguio, 4 is Bohol, 3 is Muntinlupa, 2nd is Chelsea Fernandez, 1st is Siniloan, and my winner is of course si Atisa Manalo, as always. Thank you.
Here you go, Gaisel. Here's my top 5 list for MUPH 2025. As of today, time check 2:10 p.m. Ayan. In no particular order. And they are Laguna, Cebu City, Siniloan, Laguna, Muntinlupa, and Quezon Province. And my winner is Quezon Province, Atisa Manalo. Ayan guys, here you go guys, and I hope you enjoy watching, and congratulations in advance no matter what, and supportahan natin sila, at no hate, spread love. Bye guys!
Hello, Giselle, ang aking top 5. Quezon Province, Muntinlupa, Iligan, Baguio, and Sultan Kudarat. Yan ang aking top 5. Bye!
Good day, good morning. Good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Saan panig man kayo ng mundo? This is Ronson saying, kamusta na kayong lahat? Are you all still puzzled who's going to win the Miss Universe Philippines 2025? Anyway, here is my top and ultimate prediction for this year's Miss Universe Philippines 25. So my top 5, I'll put it in ranking. My number 1 will be Quezon Province. Number 2, Muntinlupa. 3, Sultan Kudarat. Number 4, Siniloan. And number 5, Taguig. So if there's number 6, I will put Cebu. So that's my ultimate prediction for this year's Miss Universe Philippines. Thank you to all the Corellas, and kamusta po sa inyong lahat. This is Ron San saying good day and have a nice Miss Universe Philippines 2025.